Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to customize the keyboard colors on your Asus TUF A15. Now a lot of people were helped by this. This is Asus official. Okay, a lot of people found this helpful, actually helped them out. So this is what you do exactly. First, you need to uninstall the conflicting software. Ensure that you have uninstalled any conflicting software. If you're using Armory Crate, having multiple RGB control applications, sometimes they cause conflicts. What you can do first is, of course, uninstall Armory Crate using the official uninstall tool. Ensure all the components are removed, and you can find the uninstall tool on this link right here. Let me open it up and show you what it looks like. And after uninstalling, you just go ahead and restart your laptop, okay? So I just downloaded the zip file. You can just go ahead and search this up on Google as well. This is the exact Reddit post. You can come search this up and you'll find it in r/Asus, right? So after you're done uninstalling, you restart your laptop and then you download the latest version of Armory Crate from the Asus support site and reinstall it. And also ensure that your Windows operating system is fully updated. Sometimes compatibility issues can arise from outdated OS components. And also, guys, check your starter programs. Ensure that Armory Crate or any related RGB control application is set to start with Windows. This basically ensures that your custom settings are applied during boot, and also ensure your BIOS software is up to date. Okay, just back up important data before you perform this step. Otherwise, you might lose your data. And if this issue still persists, just reach out to them and give them your serial number via the private message. This is what the letters it begins with. Okay, now what you want to do is contact them right here and they should assist you, but usually it does help you out, as you can see. So I hope this guide helps you out, and if it did, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to Find Your Solution, and I'll see you in the next one.